Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics today and DIY Tube video community. This is an exciting day. This is a package for DIY Tube and it's here on my electronics channel because I think it fits best with electronics. Some of you may guess already based on the size and previous packages I've received what this may be. Oh, there's going to be staples in that. This is going to be tough to open. So, DIY Tube is continuing to grow and expand, and this is part of our expansion plan here. I've been waiting anxiously for this to arrive today. Stapled. So I bought this one off Amazon direct, but from the same company as before, Stallion Tech. I'm being careful because I don't want to hurt my fingers on the staples. So, if you haven't guessed what it is by now, I know you will here in a minute. Oh, it's heavy. What we have here is another Dell server, but you may notice it's a little bit thinner than the other. It's half the height. So let me get that out of the package and we'll be back in a minute here. Now this big boy is a Dell server, but this time we got a PowerEdge R610. Same digital display as the R710. The major difference, you've got half the thickness, half the height, so it's a 1U, and it's got 6 2.5 inch hard drive bays rather than the 6 3.5 inch bays, which is why they're able to put this in the smaller package. So this is our next server. This is going to be the homepage of DIY Tube video community quite soon, and the other one will be a parallel video processing server running about 5 to 6 videos at the very same time. So we'll be able to process a couple thousand videos every day with just these two servers, and then we'll continue just adding on as needed. Now this one has hot swappable power supplies, dual power supplies. These are very small in this case, very narrow and thin, but again we have redundancy in case one fries. You keep on going. Pop out the dead power supply, pop in the new. We've got a USB port and your 4 gigabit LAN ports, and then you've got remote access control, which I don't use. The monitor, comm, and I'm not sure, I'd have to check what that one is again. I haven't used anything but the VGA and the network cable on the back side of the other Dell. So let's have a look inside here. So let's pop off the top of this big boy and see what's inside of this one. Is it locked? No, this one's not locked out of the box. So this time though, we only got, I'm not touching anything because the high static, I'm sitting on the blanket here. This time we have 32 gigs of RAM, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one has 12 RAM slots total, so a little bit less than the other server. 4 are free, so we have some expansion room. This computer only cost $230 on Amazon. It was crazy cheap. It was amazing. It has the upgraded H710 RAID controller, so it has the better RAID. That's a nice bonus. 2 Xeon processors, so we've got two 12-core processors, which is seen as double, so it's like 24 cores, so that's all good. A lot of fans here for cooling, and these things are loud. They sound like a turbine engine running. And we have two, I don't remember, I'll have to look when I fire this up. If it says on the front 146, it says here 246 gig hard drives running together, so they're going to be in RAID format, so we'll essentially have a single 146 gig hard drive for the operating system and to run DIY Tube Video homepage. So that's what I'm going to set up today. This is going to be a mirror image of DIY Tube running in-house as a backup and until we go live, and to run experiments. So pretty exciting day today, getting another server for DIY Tube Video community. Well, it's starting up. This is the first thing I see. I'm going to get into system setup. Entering setup. I'm going to check out the BIOS a minute and we'll be back in a little bit. But there it is. Dell PowerEdge R610. That's cool. Two almost 3 gigahertz 6-core processors. That's a big deal right there. That's a big deal. System running at 2.93 gigahertz, 32 gigs of RAM. Not the fastest memory in the world, but hey, it's alright. That right there, that's a good deal right there. That's a little bit of power. Well, this one booted right into Windows Server 2012. The setup wasn't complete, so they allowed me to finish setup and set in a password. But once I'm in here, I realized I thought it'd be cool to play with a Windows Server, which I've never done. Now that I'm in here, I'm thinking, you know what? I don't want to learn something new. I'm going to go back and put Linux on this. Any server I've ever used for website hosting in the past has been a Linux server, and so I'm just going to get rid of Windows and put Linux. I'm going to put Ubuntu right on it now. This is a trial version anyway, so wipe it. Now I have Ubuntu server 18.04 installing. So this will take some time. I'm going to configure Apache and then DIY Tube Video homepage, and I'm going to mirror everything onto here. And there's a pretty sight, guys. We're installing Ubuntu. Look at that. Twins. A match made in heaven. Now currently this one is running parallel video processors on a test site, and this one is going to be the demonstration homepage. So this will be the homepage server showing people the videos, and this is going to process your videos and upload them to the cloud storage. So we'll be able to run 6 videos at a time and uploading here, and this will serve you the homepage that you see, and the viewer will see the videos from this one. But this is a demonstration and testing for now. We're not live yet. Just in testing phase so far. Well guys, I have packages installing in Ubuntu. I do have our site on there, but I have to figure out how to see it, so I'm installing another package. Rebooting. Thing sounds like a powerful jet engine taking off when it first started. It's winding down now, but when it first kicked in, boy, it was loud. Well guys, I'm still installing software, and I'm going to call it a night for video and get this uploaded for you all. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics and DIY Tube Video community. Please do like, subscribe, and share, and come check out DIYtube.video. Start earning rewards today and work towards revenue sharing in the future. Hope to see you all there.